Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure you've met any playthrough requirements before requesting a withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Log into your PrizePicks account and navigate to your account settings. Simply click on your profile icon at top right corner and a menu will open up. Inside it, get to the Request Withdrawal feature and click on it. Now, you may be prompted to verify your account. If so, make sure to follow the steps and get verified. After that, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure it's at least $10. Then select Apple Pay as your preferred withdrawal method. Once your withdrawal request is approved, you'll have two options for receiving your funds: instant bank transfer or card withdrawals. For Apple Pay, you'll likely use the card withdrawal option. After the review and approval process, your funds will be sent to your Apple Pay account. So that's basically how you can withdraw from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.